Hi, this is Miles Schneider. I'm back today to talk to you about the Knapp Counsel arrangement. When I say Knapp Counsel, I mean Knapp. Knapp Counsel is based upon a case that came out in Arizona courts. And what it means is that if you can't afford a private lawyer to replace a public defender in your case, you can hire a lawyer at a deep discount to work as the second chair in that case, and mostly provide you and your family with more information than the public defender can provide, and be at your disposal easier. And here's why. Public defenders, although they may be good lawyers, are super busy. They have hundreds of cases in their files that at any given time, and they just don't have the time to put those personal touches on each and every case. They can't answer calls right away. They don't talk to families very much. They don't visit the defendant that much in jail because they're limited by their caseload, if nothing else. And also you have to admit that a lot of people don't trust public defenders because they think that they're just an arm of the government. In some respects, they may be because they're paid by the government, but generally speaking, they're supposed to give you the same zealous advocacy as a private lawyer would. But private lawyers are incredibly expensive. For felony cases, private lawyers take $10,000 or more. And that's just difficult for a family to afford for their loved one that's in trouble with the law. So the law says that you can hire a lawyer to be generally, advisory counsel to the public defender. And this works out pretty good sometimes because that lawyer doesn't have as many cases and can focus more on your family member's case and can give you the attention and response that you need, and then help augment the public defender's representation of your family member. So again, it's called Knapp Counsel. It's usually less expensive. For example, in that same example where a private lawyer would have charged $10,000, Knapp Counsel would charge like half, like $5,000. And they generally get the job done quicker than in other cases. So if you have questions about Knapp Counsel, feel free to give me a ring. My name is Miles Schneider at 602-926-7373. Thank you.